Guys, number 4 on lesson 11, we're wrapping up these problems, and this is a throwback to some percent problem change that we had earlier in the year. That's coming up because we're having a lot of these in our practice because we're going to relate percentages to some equations later this unit. Small town has a population of 960 people last year. Okay, so that is like an original number. Population grew to 1,200 this year. Okay, this year is going to be like a new number after the change. By what percentage did it grow? So it went from here at its original 100% value up to 1,200 here, which is what we're trying to find. So the double number line can help us see that we can find that question mark by cross multiplying 1,200 times 100. Why it does that doubles every once in a while. 1,200, not 12,000, times 1, and then I hit it again, times, I'm about to hurt this calculator. Okay, 1,200 times 100, and that equals, of course, 120,000, and then we divide by the 960. And that gives us 125. So it has gone from 100% of its population up to 125% of what it used to be. Therefore, going from 100 up to 125 is 25% growth. 25% growth. You also could have found that with a table, and a lot of you like that in your old new tables. It used to be 960. Now it's 1,200. So if you found a constant of proportionality between these two, that constant would have been 1.25, which also reveals a 25% growth. However you want to think about those types of problems. Let's see if I can squeeze in another problem for us from the lesson 12. So let me pull it open and see. We might have enough time on this video to squeeze another one in. Let's look at the first. Yeah, I think we could do this. A backpack normally costs $25, so we'll do a double number line. It's the same idea here. Double number line. This is lesson 12, number 1. It normally costs 25 bucks, so let's put our $25 on here. And that's normal cost, so that's 100% of what it usually is. And then, but it's on sale for 21, so it drops down to right about here. And the question is, what percentage is the discount? Well, we're trying to find this, but this isn't the discount percentage. This is the percentage that you pay, the question mark here. So when you cross multiply and divide to find this, 21 times 100, and then divide by 25, that's telling you the percentage that you pay. So you're paying 84%. Alright? And your discount would be how much you saved from what it used to be. So your discount goes from 100 down to 84. So to find your discount, you have to do 100 minus 84, which of course is 16. So you had a 16% discount. Alright, and that is number 1 on lesson 12. We'll finish this video here. It looks like the next one has a lot going on, so we'll stop there.